Hello, welcome guys, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to upload a new video after a long time, and sorry for all of inconvenience. So today video is somehow very important and vital because I came up with new kind of problem. And actually, if you are familiar with somehow the live fitness treadmills, so this is the HDTV, which is actually it is solely manufactured for live fitness. So it doesn't have any kind of remote, and there is no button inside in panel. So the previous version had some buttons with this panel, but unfortunately in this panel live fitness did not provide any kind of button with it. So it's very difficult for you to configure this HDTV either for your home use, either for your PC, and for even for your machine as well. So in most of the live fitness treadmills they have an option of TV inside the panels. So either it's the panel is SI console, C console, X console, or Discover SE 3 console and HD consoles. So whatsoever the type is, you have to connect this HDTV with your live fitness panel. And how you can connect this, so let me show you the configuration. So in this menu, this is the cable which is supposed to be connected with your main panel. So actually this is the cable where you connect your remote with panel. So this is the infrared side, and it gets the signal from this panel, and then you are able to connect with or configure anything. So, and the most important thing is 12 volt. So these 12 volts are separately provided and separately supplied. This HDTV can also be used with your computer, with your CCTV cameras for HD definition and for S input and video input as well. But the important thing is to configure this HDTV. And I tried to use the universal remotes from Chinese. Actually this is the China made universal remote, but unfortunately it didn't work. Then I procured this one to use this, and unfortunately it also didn't work. So I will also share in the description the user manual of this TV, and you can find this on the description in the link. So first we have to configure this, and the question is how we can configure this. So in this type we have this integrity series panel, and first I have to go into the menu. I'm going to press the select button and tap 2 times here to access the manager configuration menu. Actually sometimes it's a bit tricky to log in. So here we have the system options menu, and I have to go in the configuration menu, then the media centers, and then I have the configuration option. So here I have the menu for my TV. So here we have the power button. If I press this power button, this screen will be powered off like this. Yes, it's off. So again going to press this power button, and actually this panel is working as a remote for this HDTV, since it is supposed to be connected with your treadmill, and you are standing over the treadmill and you are pressing or settings your treadmill. So since they Life Fitness solely manufactured this for the treadmills, but you can use this for your home theaters or with any other stuff as you want. So here we have the DB menu. I'm going to press the DB menu. Once I press the DB menu, here you can see the locking menu. Actually, this is very important. Here we have to press the 0000 4 times. So fortunately I got this remote and my volume down button acts as 0000. So you have to press 4 times 0. So if you don't know which button says 0, exit this menu and press any button, and you have to see which button is working as a 0. So 1 times 0, 1 times 0, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. So as you press this button, you will reach into this menu, and here I have the picture, the sound, time, and log, and the channel as well. So rest of the things will be changed from here. So if I change, so here you can see the different menus as well, and most importantly you have to tune the channels or the cable channels in the gym. So most importantly, I think the menu that will be helpful for you is air cable. So here you can select the cable type like air plus cable, and here we have the auto scan. Then we can also select the rest of the menus are same or the similar as we have usually we have in our domestic televisions. So rest of the things are definitely, I hope they would be easy for you. The thing which is or the thing which can be difficult for you is to getting into the setting menu, how you can access the setting menu, how you can change the color and channels and sound types. So the main thing is here you can press this and you will configure this. So thank you very much for watching this movie this video. Hopefully we will meet again with another video. Thank you.